My name is Jidnyasa and I welcome you all on this show, The Walking Head. So today I thought of sharing one experience of mine with you all. And that is what I have realized in this process. I have started blogging for a few months by now, and I have also started my own podcast, as you all know. So while moving in this process, I realized one thing, and I think that you all must also know this. And that is, I know that every one of you does have some goal in your life. I know everyone wants to be successful in their life. But we make a simple mistake while moving in this path, and that is we tend to make shortcuts. Guys, just imagine if one day some man comes and says that he wants to reach at the peak of that mountain, and he says that he just wants to take one step and reach there. Is it possible? I know it's not, because come on, the mountain is so big. How can he just take one step and reach there, right? What he has to do is climb all the steps in between. Same is the case with our life. That peak of the mountain is what goal you want to achieve. And saying that I will just do this in one step is like saying that I will just climb one step and reach at the peak of that mountain. This is not technically possible. We have to move step by step in every single situation of our life. Guys, this is really very important that I have personally experienced, and I know that many of us make this mistake every time. We tend to take shortcuts, we tend to skip the steps in between. But trust me guys, this is not going to help you ever in your life. If you really want to be successful, if you really want to achieve that highest goal in your life, then you have to take all the steps in between. And this is the only thing that I want to share with you in this show, in this episode. So guys, remember, be it a big or a small goal in your life, be it the hardest one to achieve or the easiest one, but make sure not to skip any step in between. Go step by step. Enjoy the process enjoy the journey, enjoy the process of your life. You know, being successful is the greatest thing, I know, but enjoying the process is also important. So, go step by step, achieve success, be happy. We will meet again in the next episode. Make sure to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's there. And we will meet again in the